those are the loops in this campground. We're only going to review a few of those so you can see what's what. The sycamore is to our right and the dump station is to our left. And this site has electric hookup only. Nice deep sites. They all have a picnic table, a fire ring, and a light post.
And they're paved.
And they're paved, of course.
Yeah, it's power.
It's number 2. Nice wooded sites. This one's not as wooded as the one that we're in. We love the one that we're in.
Well, this one's a little roomier for RVers.
Right. This one's for the big rigs.
There's a water station.
It's number 7. Very nice site. Each loop has at least one host. And that's all there is. Just 1 through 11. And of course, these are reservable.
It's the only way you can get them.
Yep.
And you can't reserve them here at the campground. You have to do it online.
Right. Okay, we're going to do White Oak.
12 through 32.
And we believe this is tents only. And each loop has at least one bathhouse, if not 2. And that's an older bathhouse there.
Maybe another one on the other end.
Right. And most of the time, next to the bathhouses are dumpsters.
Well, this is a tent only. There's RVs in here.
Ah.
Small ones. You can get some pretty good size ones in here.
Oh, yeah, that's a pretty big site right there. Wow, that's number 12. Throughout the whole park, there are tons of tenners.
Yeah, right here, we're coming up on something.
Tons of tenners.
Does this one have?
And they were lucky to stay dry. We have a tent like that one.
15 here's a double site.
This is also a double site. Number 17. Very nice. Of course, it is not on the water.
And this is in the forest. This is
yeah.
Forest here. Double site. A lot of double sites in here.
Number 19 is also a double site. Very nice site. Wow.
Number 21's nice over here. That's nice. 20. See, they got an RV in that one.
Mm-hmm. Yep. 22.
These are without power.
Right. No power.
No running.
And none of the sites have running water on the site. They have it dispersed throughout the campground. Oh, big fifth wheel on that one. And another bathhouse.
And up here's the host. Where's the host? If you're a host, it's
well, the host has full hookup.
They value your host site at $900 a month.
Wow, that's a lot.
Pretty expensive.
Yeah, but they have full hookup. You know, that's power, water, and sewer. Yes, I know, people. Well, if they have power, water, and sewer on their site, why can't they do it throughout? Who knows? I don't know.
It's camping.
Yeah. This is also a double site, number 28. Very nice. Very nice. Oh.
Nice one.
This is a nice one. Lots of double sites in here. Very nice.
Big green areas, green spaces here. Lots of trails too.
Yeah, lots of trails.
And
there is a trail along the riverfront, which is very nice. People come from town. Yeah.
You can hike out from town. I think it's like, what, 5-6 miles?
I think so. I'm not sure.
I can't remember exactly.
This popular loop is the loop that you cannot have generators in. No generators in this loop.
And these are
103.
These aren't walk-up sites here. You got to reserve them.
Yeah, we had a discussion on my YouTube channel about this. It upsets a lot of people. Apparently in Michigan it's worse than it is here. And see, there's one. You park here and your tent is up there at the top. It's pretty cool though. Pretty cool. And of course there's where the water is located in this loop.
Those are happy campers.
Yeah. Wave! There you go. Happy campers. Nice and shady. There's not any sites in here I know of where you could use your solar and be happy.
Yeah, well,
You better have a battery bank.
and the sites majority of them are very level.
Yeah.
That's the thing about this campground. They're pretty level.
And of course it has rained a lot here, so everyone has these big tents, or big tarps.
Big tents over their tarps over their tents.
Yeah. Oh, look, they got theirs all nice and set up. Sweet. And there's a campground host. And a bathhouse. And dumpster. And they only recycle aluminum here.
They did it all.
Yeah. What's up with that?
100 is the only one that has power other than the host site.
Wow. So 100 in this loop, other than the host, is the only one with power.
Yep.
Why? I mean, that doesn't make any sense to me.
Well, it is.
Wow.
They just probably stopped. They were going to do the thing, and that was the funding got dropped. Something like that.
And the other night in Loop Hemlock, they had a bear sighting. Woohoo! We had one in our loop too.
Yep. 2 juveniles. They got in the guy's tent behind us.
It's a nice sight right there.
These 2 loops are nice here.
$141. See how it's flooded out right there?
This is our loop, River Bend.
River Bend. It's because we are on the river over here.
And what's unique about this loop is it's walk up.
Yes. Walk in. Non-reservable sites. Woohoo!
It's the only section like this.
And it's tents and RVs. And I think there's 21 sites in this loop. It's 150. $152. You have a water source right by new restrooms where the showers are separate. They're individual. And so are the restrooms.
The showers are unisex and the restrooms are men and women's.
Right. And of course there's the river. Right there.
Wherever I can't right by it.
Here's the swimming area. Everybody puts their tubes in to tube down the river right here. It's very cool. Of course, the water is really dirty right now because of all the rain.
Oh, it's crystal clear. Cool.
We are right here. There's the folks behind us. Well, he's got his tarp strung up to protect them. But there we are. It's very nice. Yep, nice sight. We get a little bit of sun here, thank goodness, because it is super wet. But you can see how the campsites are gravel, and they have a paved drive, and they have a pea gravel site for your tent. And we're parked on the pea gravel site. Love it. I don't know if you can hear the water, But that's what we hear at night. It's awesome.